Finally my album arrived. I ordered it from Backpack K-Store, an online store based in Portugal that offers a variety of K-pop products. It was my first time ordering albums from them. I must say that the album was well protected, as you can see, but I can't give it 5 stars because for shipping to be free, from 50 euros, I ordered another album and only this one arrived. I sent an email and they responded relatively quickly saying that their team is already looking into my case. Let's see what happens. I'm guessing this is some kind of freebie. Oh, it's a Yoohyeon from the last album. Even though my bias is Jew, I appreciate receiving a free Yoohyeon fan-made photo card. Anyways, here's the album. With Dreamcatcher I only usually buy the limited version because the photo book has all the concepts and, like the responsible college student and mother of 2 adorable bunnies that I am, I stopped myself from buying all the versions to save money for other essentials. As much as I would love to have my favorite group's entire album collection, I have self-control. Now, enough of the shit talk, let's begin the unboxing. Starting with the package, hardcover in the same size as what we are used to for the limited version, which is great as it looks perfect next to the others. Also, I love the colors. On the side we have the following message: helping others is something we must do. By protecting the people around you, you will become complete. You trust my words, right? And you trust yourself, right? We can become strong. We can protect everyone. From X. Love them for that. At the back we have the track list. Up next we have the photo book with 164 pages, 4 concepts. Our version's concept, the office look. It was sad that they promoted the album with 6 members this time. Get well soon, Seeyeon. Fun fact, I know someone who had this photo of Handong printed on her birthday cake. I don't think I would be able to eat the cake if I ordered one with Ju's photo. Would you eat a cake with your bias's photo on it? 7. I approve. OT7 all the way. This photo seemed familiar to me. At the time of the unboxing I didn't know why, but while editing I remembered. I still can't believe I saw this moment live. And we're done with the first concept. Now let's go to version A with our dark goddesses. Am I the only one who thinks Handong looks a lot like Taeyeon in this concept? I swear to God. Another familiar thing. Throwback to 2018 I believe. This photo reminded me of the game I loved playing with my mom as a child. All you needed was a piece of thread in your hands to make several shapes. Each one starting from the previous one, and the objective was to reach the last shape without making mistakes. Does anyone know the name of this game? And in the blink of an eye we are in the third concept. Version E is the most colorful and probably my favorite. I love these types of aesthetics and especially seeing them smile and using props in a playful way. I have to say I love this hair on Seeyeon and the pink and black she had in the MV too. Close up because they're cute AF. Yoo-hyun looks amazing with orange hair. I'm happy that Ga-yeon finally had the opportunity to have the unicorn hair she wanted. Good for you, girl. Good for you. I love this collage. Doesn't anyone who has bought the other versions and has an extra folded poster of this photo want to give it to me? I'll pay if I need to. Honestly, I was about to buy one of the other versions just for the poster. It's so my vibe. Fourth and final concept belongs to version K and, as I like to call it, is the mommy concept. I lost count of how many people I saw talking about this photo. Rightfully so. Dammy is just so cool. It doesn't matter what she's wearing. Finally, we have the lyrics of the tracks presented in a comic book style. As an anime fan who reads a lot of manga, I love this. What's your favorite B-side? Mine is Two Rings since the highlight medley. Of course, the performance solidified my opinion. I would also like to mention that Dreamcatcher's intros are always amazing, but they feel too short, so it was super cool this time the intro was the length of an entire song. And with that being said, let's move on to the CD. I don't really use the CD, as I listen to music online, so it's the least important part of an album for me. But it's pretty, I guess. It has the same design as the package. Next we have the big postcard set, a photo of each member measuring 140 by 203 millimeters basically. I think they chose good photos for this. Definitely worthy of putting on your bedroom wall. Moving on, the character card is a random 1 out of 7. It has the member's name, date of birth and that their team is Dreamcatcher. Let's see who I get.
Yes! Yeah! Oh, better luck next time, buddy! Woo! Woo! Yeah, all right! Woo!
You have no idea how hard it is for me to get Ju. The only photo card of hers that I got in an album is this one from Apocalypse. Follow us, as these two are fan-made. I exchanged this agent card with an Insomnia for the one I had of Seon at the concert in March, and this last one is a tour special. It came with the merch I bought. So yeah, I'm very happy with my poll. Regarding the stickers, they are 1 random heart out of 7 and 1 random name out of 7. I usually leave album stickers as they are and don't use them for fear of regretting where I put them. They're too pretty to be placed anywhere and then thrown in the trash, you know? What everyone, including me, is usually looking forward to, photo cards. You get 3 random ones out of 28. I honestly wish there were more photo cards like in TWICE's albums. 3 is just not enough. Well, let's see who I get. Queen Kim Bora with her crown. Nice. By the way, if anyone knows Korean, can you leave the translation of the messages on the back of the photo cards in the comments? I would really appreciate it. Speaking of things I appreciate, Ga-yeon is gorgeous in this photo card. And the last one we immediately know is also Ga-yeon's from her signature. Ga-yeon with glasses this time. Last but not least, the folded poster. Now, Dreamcatcher Company, I want to ask you something. Why do you make a vertical poster with the members only occupying half of the poster? Why not do it with the same photo but horizontally? This folded poster is the only thing I don't really like. I prefer the folded poster of the other versions 1,000 times over this one. And that was it, guys. I am very satisfied with my polls. 2 Gaeons, she was my first bias, I fell in love with her in Boca. 1 Kim Bora, she became my bias wrecker at the concert in March. 1 Ju, my current bias, because she stole my heart over time and made me cheat on Gaeon haha. And an extra Yuhyun, a gift from Back. My next video will probably be the Billy concert vlog. So if you like them, stay tuned. Thanks for watching until the end. See you next time.